guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this before and after video effect on CapCut PC. So select your video. I'm just going to select this one and I am going to copy and paste that. On the second one I'm just going to go to filters and I'm going to add in some adjustments to it. Just making it a little bit different than the first video. Something like that. Then we're going to go to video, go to mask and select split, and we're going to split it this way. And we're going to put the line there, add a keyframe, and then kind of in the middle, you're going to want to put that line to the right. You can add a line following it if you'd like to, by using the white stock video here. And if it's not long enough, just freeze frame it. Select film strip and just going to split it this way to kind of create a line. I'm going to add a keyframe here, and then I'm going to add another keyframe in the middle. Whoops. And I'm going to place it in the middle of the bit right there. And then I'm going to do one at the end. Just block that so it's easier for me to move this around. And that should be it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!